Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to find places to visit on Skyscanner. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to find places to visit on Skyscanner. Maybe because you're planning to go on a vacation but you don't know where to go. So you want to explore some different places and then you can meet your mind. Or maybe you have heard a lot about the Skyscanner app that it has amazing places that it allows you to visit. So you just want to give it a try. Or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can find different places to visit on Skyscanner. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So once you have installed the Skyscanner app, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, we have the icon or the title of the app, and then we have different options all over the page. Here we have this option which says explore everywhere. With the help of that, you can explore different places and then you can visit it. So once you tap on it, you will get different options. Like at first, you have to explain that if you want a return trip or maybe you're just going for a one way ticket. So here you can choose any one of these options. It's all up to you. After that, you have to choose like from which airport or from which place you're going to travel. So first you have to remove the existing one and then you have to type like from where you're going and what's in your mind, like which places you want to visit. You just have to type it and after that it will show you something related to that. And in everywhere you can also choose different location, but mostly it allows you to go with the everywhere option. It doesn't specifically go with any specific place. After that, you have to choose the dates, like from which date to which date you're going for that trip or that visit. So here we have the dates. You can choose according to whatever date you're going for, or maybe you can choose the whole month if you have enough time for that. Once you're okay with that, just simply click here, and after that it will filter out searches and will show you what you're looking for. Now here we have different places. As you can see, we have by name, which are related to what you have entered, like Poland, Ireland, Italy, and different countries. So from all these places, you have to select which you're looking for. Whatever you want to go where, you can select that, and after that, it will show you places within that place. Like I selected UK. Now it is showing me some of its landmarks and famous places that I could go and visit. So whatever you like, you can click on that, and after that you will select the availability and different stuff related to that place. And if you like that place, you can go there and visit and enjoy your vacations. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can find different places to visit on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.